This is the very important video for all research scholars. Today we will learn how to solve the X-ray crystal structure, and this is the single crystal X-ray instrument, and this is the all setup of this instrument. In computer screen, first we open the Apex4 software, then we open the one file, then I click on evaluate, then click on determine unit cell, and now I click on harvest spots, and I see the all spot of this single crystal. Now I click on harvest, and I see that this crystal gives 416 number of reflection. Now I click on index and also click on another index in the bottom of the computer. Now we see that the unit cell is generated now. Then I accept this unit cell and I refine this structure, and on going refine I see the halogenation. It is the HKL value. The value of the second line of this value, if it is decreased, it is a good structure. Then I accept it, and further now I select Bravis, and the structure indicate orthorhombic, but I take triclinic Bravis and accept it. Then I further refine, and see also this halogenation line, and that is HKL line. That is a good structure. Now I accept it, and I click it reduce data. Then I click on integrate image, and now I click on find runs. This number of runs are happen in this data, and I start integration, and this is the integration data of this crystal. Here I see that the integration. Now after complete the integration, I click on the scale, now I open the file and choose the 0M raw file and open. Then I click on the start button and refine it. Now I click the next button and see that the R integer value is one is 0.02 and there is 0.03. Now I click on finish. Now I move to the examine data. Now I move on analyze data and click OK button. Now these types of software on his computer screen, then I click all enter, just enter button. Now I give the sample name, I give its final. And also I click on enter button. Now I click on find structure and solve structure. Further I click on solve structure and I see the structure of my compound. This is the structure of this crystalline compound. Now I click on refine and we open the structure in Excel and we see the structure in Excel software. This is the structure of this unknown crystal in Excel software. Now we click on ball and stick and we see the all atoms. Now we labeling this all atom. First we click on phosphorus and we labeled it. Now I click on oxygen atom and I label the oxygen atom. Another, all these atoms, they all are carbon atoms. So I select the all atoms by right click and label the all carbon atoms. In this way, I label the all structure. Now I click on refine button to see the R integer value of this crystal. If the R integer value is less than 10, then the crystal is acceptable for any journal. But we see that R integer value is 12%. So now this crystal is not acceptable. Now we right click and click on add hydrogen and hybridize the all carbon atom. Then further on right click, then I click on add hydrogen. Now I click on calculate hydrogen and click the OK button, and we see that all hydrogen are attached in all carbon atom. Now I click on refine, see the R integer value, and we see that the R integer value is decreased. Now it is 11%. Now we click on n sigma and 2 theta value and we give that theta value is 51 and click on refine all non-hydrogen anisotropy. Then I click on refine and we see that the R integer value is comes 7%, and now this structure is acceptable for any journal. And this is the full structure of this unknown compound. Thank you watching this video. If it's helped you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. This is the very important video